So today I'm on the behalf of my team is going to represent our survey site. The Core Factory is the name of our team, and here are the names of our 6 team members that have worked together in this project and defined as several roles as written there. Um, so this is our whole app.js JavaScript that we have used in our whole site, and we have made these files in the ages format. So here are about project, about survey, dashboard, edit survey, error index, new survey not found, start survey, thank you, EJS file, and these are all the EJS file that we have made in this survey site. So I'm going to now go on my survey site to show you this how our site works. So this is a site Code Factory survey, a powerful free online solution. So this is our home page, and when we click on let's get started, we are directly move on to the register now form. So we can register now as a username. For example, we are already not registered in our system, so we are going to type in our name, our email address, and password. You can type any password of your own choice. The password must match with the to confirm the password. And when we click on register, we are getting moved to the survey page, where we can click here to get a new to start a new survey. Put here the name of survey. Let's the service name is like favorite things, and it allows us to choose how many survey questions that we want to have it. For example, we want to have 2 questions. So let's create a survey with the 2 questions, and let's type in name, a first question name. For example, favorite food, pizza, burger, pasta, or the or second question can go like, what's our favorite color? Let's choose this. Let's try red, green, yellow, or so when we click on the create the service, we will create the survey, and we will get the survey link and survey ID, number of questions there are, and the date published. For example, it is made today, so it will like display like Friday, December 10th, 2021. So here from here we can copy the survey link, and when we will click on the survey link copy, we can do the survey here. For example, we choose for pizza and green. Let's click on submit. So this is a thank you page for which it is shown that we have successfully created a survey and submitted a survey. And whenever we're going to click on the survey, we are going to get the statics here. So like how many people have surveyed, people have completed this survey, and what is the proportion of people that have choose this. So let's refresh the survey link, as I have already done the survey, and here are the answers. So like favorite food is pizza. So number of 1 people have chose pizza. Number of 1 people have chose green as their favorite color. So this is all the things about the survey, and we can also edit the survey, and we can also update this survey. For example, we can change the color like gray. Let's go for gray, and we can update the survey. So hence our survey is updated the gray color, and we can click on delete button to delete this survey, and we can hence start our new survey again. Uh, and let me show you a demo account that we have created. So this is a demo account that we have created, and number of people have submitted this survey, and how are the questions of this survey. So this, let's see for the professor feedback survey. As an example, when we click on the professor's feedback survey, we can see that as the survey link is copied, so hence you can open up the survey and do the survey. Like let's submit the survey. There's a problem with the survey site, and here are the surveys that we have done. A number of people have done this survey, number of proportions, and the all the statics. You can see here as it in the form of pie chart. So this is a survey about the which is a favorite country. This is about the South American countries. So who's a Brazilian soccer player? Number of people have chose Pele, and number of people have chose Maradona. And which country did you hear about? These are the other things about that we are going to see in the survey that are going to display the results and the date when it is published and the survey link. And moreover, you can click on about project to get on the PowerPoint presentation and click on the Grip Hub to get to access all the GitHub files. So where we had uploaded all the files a JavaScript or all the app functioning here you can see. And so this is our whole service site that we have made till this is a final service site. Yeah, thank you. So when we click on logout, we get to return to the home page. Code Factory of Power Procurement Station. Thank you.